Guys, in the last video we have seen how to declare enum and how to access the members of the enum and what happened inside the enum there. Now in this video we are going to see one interview question. What about this interview question now? In Java applications, is it possible to use enum as like a classes? This is one question. Or else the same question, different direction. In Java applications, is it possible to declare normal variables, normal methods, normal constructors along with constant variables inside the enum? Right, this is the question kernel. So as like normal classes, in the sense, is it possible to declare variables, methods and constructors inside the enum or not? This is a question here we are getting directly now. Right sir, for this question here we are able to provide some answer here. What exactly the answer here we are able to provide directly? Answer is yes, it is possible. It is possible to declare normal variables, normal methods, normal constructors along with constant variables inside the enum. Yes sir, it is possible. It is possible to declare normal variables, normal methods, normal constructors along with constant variables inside the enum. But how? I'll take some example here. So parallel, I want to discuss about the concepts internally also parallelly. Now try to recognize this. For example, I want to take enum apple. I want to take it. Enum apple. I have taken it. What is this internally compiler converted code now? What is the internal code is generated for this enum? It is final class. That is which one can know? Apple. This is clearly which one here? Apple. Final class apple. It's okay. Extends java.lang.enum. It's okay, fine. Next one is inside this apple, enum apple, just we want to provide which one here? Grades for the apple. Grades I want to provide. A comma, B comma, C. Grades here we are going to be provided. So whenever we declare this A, B, C like this here, what is the meaning of it now? Now public static final apple A is equal to, A is the reference variable for this apple object. Apple is which one there? Enum. So A is equal to new apple. Like this here we are able to have there. Public static final apple B is equal to new apple. Next one. Public static final apple C is equal to new apple. Like this here we provided like this. But I want to provide price value along with these which one they know, along with these constants I want to define price variable, price values. A grade apple will have might be some price, B grade apple will have some other price, and C grade apple some other price scale. So to define price values for this might be enum constants, I want to use parenthesis. Inside this parenthesis I want to provide which one here? 500. A grade apple is which one? 500. B grade apple, its value is which one? 300 price. C grade apple, its value is which one? 100 for example. So along with these constant variables, if you put bracket and where if you provide which one their price values, it means that now we are going to execute which one? Parameterized constructor for the creation of the apple class objects. So E of 500 in the sense automatically in the apple constructor 500 value will be passed. Next one, B of 300 here we provided in the same B referred apple constructor here we are going to provide which one they know? Directly 300 is the value. Next one, inside the C of 100 here, now inside this apple class constructor here we are going to pass 100. Observe carefully, here we are calling which one they know? Parameterized constructor. Previously 0 argument constructor, that is default constructor, but at present we are calling which one they know? Parameterized constructor. Whenever we are calling this parameterized constructor, then definitely we have to define parameterized constructor or not. So definitely inside our Apple class we must provide which one then, parameterized constructor. Public Apple, even public is not mandatory, just we can take which one then, Apple of int price value. That value here we have to provide. Okay, same construct is required. Inside this enum we need to define this constructor, then only here we are able to get which one they know, the respective constructor and all the respective content. Right, sir. At the same time, here whenever we are calling constructors along with, whenever we are calling parameterized constructor, whenever we are passing that 500 as a value, that value will come to which one, price variable. That is a local variable, that is a parameter variable. It is available up to this particular thing only. But we have to assign the same thing to which one they know, class level variable. So here definitely here we require a normal variable. Into price is required now. Okay, fine. Now inside this here what I am going to do there, I need to provide this dot price is equal to price. Here we provided. Same setup is required in our normal Apple also. Then only we are able to get the respective thing now. So here I need to declare it as which one they know, price. Now inside this Apple of into price, here we are able to get which one, this dot price is equal to and price. Like this here we are providing. Apple of into price. Now inside this dot price is equal to price. Here we provided directly. It's okay, fine. Next one is I want to access this price value. I want to access which one here, this price value. That's why here we are going to use which one there, public int get price method. Public int get price method. Inside this get price method we have to provide which one, return that price value. What exactly the price value already we provided here, that value here we want to return. Same setup is required inside this enum, then only we are able to get into the translated code. Now here I will provide which one, public int get price method. Now inside this get price method, here we are able to return which one, then price value directly. Return price, that's it. Now observe carefully what is going on here. Now finally if you observe this enum, Apple enum is available. Now inside this Apple enum, A of 500, B of 300 and C of 100 here we provided. Means that while creating objects for this Apple enum, might be internally parameterized constructor here we are calling, that is into parameterized constructor here we are calling there. So into price is available, Apple of into price, this dot price is equal to price, public int get price and return price values are available here now. So here constructor here we have taken, and this construct is going to maintain this data in the form of local variable, but that local variable value must be available to outside now. So we need to access this local variable value to which one there no, class level variable, that is which one, into price now. That's why into price variable here we declared. Next one is which one there, I want to get the value of this price variable, that's why here we provided which one then, get a price value, return price value here we are getting there directly now. So in that way we are able to declare normal variables, normal constructors and normal methods along with the constant variables inside our which one they know, enum Apple directly. Now the internally translated code also here we provided parallelly. So that Apple enum is converted to which one, final class. Okay, its a super class is which one they know, java.lang.enum. Next one, how many constants here I declared here? 3 constants. What are the 3 constants now? Public static final Apple A is equal to new Apple of 500. Public static final Apple B is equal to new Apple of 300. Public static final Apple C is equal to new Apple of 100 here we provided here. So these are which one you know, intersections. Public static final constant variables here we provided. Along with these constant variables automatically this Apple of 300 and Apple of 500 like this constructors here we are getting. Next one is into price here we are getting, and this is a constructor into price, this dot price is equal to price value here we provided. Public int get price method and return price value here we are providing directly now. So this is what exactly the meaning of which one here no, the total awareness related to this which one here no, like enum, inside this enum here we are able to declare our respective variables and constructors and methods and all these things now. Same thing I want to show in the form of this programmatic part here. Now try to recognize this clearly. Right sir, now I want to take this as which one here, not class enum Apple. Enum Apple here we provided. Now inside this here A of 500 comma B of like which one here 300 comma C of 100 here we provided. Next one is into price I want to take. Next one is which one, I need to go for which one here, Apple class constructor. Now here into price. Now inside this here, this dot price is equal to price. Next one is I want to get this price value, public int get price. Now inside this here return price value, here we have to provide. This is about enum, Apple enum. It's okay, fine. Now insert this main class and main method. Insert the main class and main method. Here what we are going to do there. Next one is I want to access this data. System.out.println of A grade Apple plus here we need to identify this. I need to call this get price method. Understand this call. I need to call this get price method. Observe this clearly. Insert this total part. A variable is representing Apple where price value is 500. B variable is representing Apple object where price value is which one, 300. C variable type is which one, Apple where price value is which one, 100. 100 is the price value here we are getting there. It's okay. So if you want to call get price method, we require Apple object. That Apple object is available with the A, B, C reference variables. No. So by using these reference variables, we can call get price method. A dot get price method, B dot get price, and C dot get price method here we are able to call. We are able to access A dot get price and B dot get price and C dot get price. All these methods here we are able to access directly now. When we access these methods, respective things here we are able to get. But to access this get price method, we are using A, B, C like this here we are using here. But this A, B, C are available inside this which one, Apple. So A, B, C are available inside the Apple, and by using A, B, C only we are going to access this get price. So overall expression to access this get price is Apple dot A dot get price. Next one is Apple dot B dot get price. Apple dot C dot get price. Apple dot A dot get price method, Apple dot B dot get price method, Apple dot C dot get price method here we are getting directly now. By using this approach only we are able to access the respective things now. Now let us check this one. System.out.println of A grade Apple price is which one, Apple dot A dot get price method. Next one is which one, then after that system.out.println of B grade Apple colon plus Apple dot B dot get price method. System.out.println of B grade Apple, Apple dot B dot get price method. Next one is system.out.println of system.out.println of C grade Apple colon plus Apple dot C dot get price method. So like this here we are able to access it and we are able to execute our content clearly now. Right, so now let me run this example here. Now this is about clearly which one here, test.java. Now I want to run this example. Java C space test.java. Right, sir, compiled successfully. Java space test. Java space test. Here we are getting output like this. A grade Apple is 500 and B grade Apple is 300 and C grade Apple is which one there? 100 here we are getting there. Finally here we are getting our content here. So finally our question is which one here? Our question is clearly, is it possible in Java applications, okay, before that, in Java applications, is it possible to use enum as like a classes? Yes, answer is yes. Again the same question here we are asking in different way. In Java applications, is it possible to declare normal variables, normal methods and normal constructors along with the constant variables inside the enum? Yes, answer is yes. It is possible to declare normal variables, normal methods, normal constructors along with the constant variables inside the enum. It is possible. Then how it is possible in the sense already I explained about which one they know, Apple class. Through this Apple class here we are able to get directly. This is what exactly the content of which one enum concepts here we are able to identify clearly now.